Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, we will see how to use the sticky add to cart bar on the product page. Now here you will see the add to cart bar at the bottom of this page, and it will be shown only on the product page, not on the shop page or on the categories page. Someone scrolls down to the page, they do not need to go back to the top and click on add to cart. The add to cart will be always available at the bottom, or you can place it at the top. You can also change the background color, the rating color, as well as the text color. If you do not want to show any part on the add to cart, you can remove that also. And in this video, we are going to use two different free plugins to use this add to cart bar feature on your WooCommerce website. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WooCommerce website, and we are going to install two different free plugins to use the sticky add to cart bar on the WooCommerce product page. So let's start with the first free plugin. So I'm on the dashboard, go to plugins and then go to add new. Now here search for sticky add to cart. So in the search box type in sticky add to cart. So this is the first plugin that we are going to install, that is WPC sticky add to cart for WooCommerce. This is very simple plugin and there are not too many customizations. So let's start with this one. Click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin has been activated. Here you will see the option WP Clever. If you go to this icon, you will see this sticky add to cart. Click on it. So this is the option to change the settings of this plugin. So these are the settings. Just before we go to the settings, let's see how does this look. So this is the product page, one of the products page. Now let me refresh it. Right now you do not see any sticky add to cart bar. Let me refresh it. Alright, so I have just refreshed. Now let me scroll it, and here you will see the sticky add to cart bar at the bottom. So it will stay there even if you scroll down to the page. Alright, so this is how it will stick to the bottom. Now let's go to the settings, and these are the default settings. Where do you want the position will be, at the bottom or at the top? So let's change it to top. Offset, so this is the space between the end of the screen and the bar. So if you change offset, it will move up. So I'm not going to change these settings. Show price, right now the price is shown here. If you want to show this price on the add to cart button, this button, then it will show on this add to cart button. So these are the options: no add to cart, or you do not want to show the price, you can select no. Now show quantity, yes, so this is the quantity. And show quick view button, show compare button, show wish list button, and show buy now button. So these are different plugins. These are the add-ons that you need to install, and I have already covered all these add-on plugins in previous videos. So if you want to add these buttons, quick view, compare, wish list, then you can watch my previous videos and you will see how we can use these plugins to add these features on the WooCommerce website. So right now I'm not going to make any changes here. So we have just changed this one from bottom to top. Let's save the changes. Now let's go ahead and refresh this page. So now here you will see that when I scroll down, you will see the add to cart button at the top. It is not at the bottom now, it is at the top. So because of this dashboard, it's not showing properly. However, you can change the offset from top. Now just remember that this add to cart button will be shown only on the single product page. If I go to shop page or the categories page, it will not show this add to cart because this is only for the single product. Let's go back to the product page. Let's change it to bottom. And so I go to product page. It is at the bottom now, and you do not see any option to make changes to the style of this sticky add to cart bar at the bottom. So we cannot change the color or the background color or the text or font color. We are going to install another plugin which will give you an option to change the style of this add to cart at the bottom. So let me go back to the plugins. Now let's disable this one. Now go to add new. Okay, now here search for sticky add to cart button again. Now we are going to install this plugin, simple sticky add to cart for WooCommerce. Now click on install now, activate it. Now let's go back to the page and refresh the page, and let's see the default layout of this add to cart bar. Here you will see the add to cart bar at the top of the product page. So let's go to the plugins, and here you will see the option sticky add to cart. Go to this and we are going to change the settings. Now here you will see the customization option for this plugin. So let's go to the first option, that is visibility. So this one is activate or deactivate. So if you want to deactivate, you can simply check this box and it gets deactivated. Now when do you want to show? If you want to show this after someone scroll on the page, then you can enable this. Otherwise it will be there always at the top or the bottom. Now if you want to disable on tablet or mobile, you can simply disable them from tablet and mobile. So right now it is enabled only on the desktop. Let's go to the save settings first. Alright, so we have disabled it on tablet and mobile. If you want to enable it, you can keep them enabled. Let's go to design. Now here you can change the background color of this bar. So I'm not going to change it, let's make it white. However, if you want to change, you can change it. Box shadow, this is for the pro feature. So if you want to make the changes, then you need to get the pro plugin. So I'm not going to change. Now the text color, right now it shows the black. So if you want to change, you can change the text color from here. So let's change some settings and after that we will check. So these are the pro features, so we are going to skip them. And here you will see review stars color. So here you will see the option review star. So this is an added feature that was not on the previous plugin. This is the color. If you want to change, you can change the color of the stars. Reviews count color. So here you will see the count color. You can change that too. So let's change it to red or the pink. Okay, now button color. So this is the button. You can change the color if you want. I'm going to change it. This is the button hover color. So I'm going to change it to black. The text, button text, you will see this button text is white color, so leave it as it is. Button hover text color and stock text colors. Okay, now let's save the settings. Now let's go to the next one, font. So from here you can change the font size configuration. So if you want to change the text, right now it shows add to cart, you can change from here. This is for the pro. So these are the pro features. Now where do you want to show this sticky bar position? At the top, right now it is selected to top. I'm going to set it to bottom. And if you select after scroll, then you can change the scroll settings also. And the remaining are pro features. Now this is review stars. If you do not want to show these review stars, you can simply disable it from here. Review count. So this is the review count. So whichever part you do not want, you can simply disable from here. Product image. If you do not want to show the product image, you can disable it. Price range on variable products, so it will show the price range also. So let's save these settings. Let's go back to the page and refresh it. Now here is the position of the add to cart bar at the bottom. Okay, so it is always there, sticky. Okay, so now we have changed this color, and this is the number of products that you want to buy. So from here they can add the product to the cart. So if I click on add to cart, it will get into the cart. Okay, you can see that the product has been added to the cart. So this is how you can use the sticky add to cart bar at the bottom or at the top of the product page. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.